Welcome back to our Excel for Beginners series. This is Lesson 5. In the previous lesson, we introduced the Excel interface and we talked about tabs and ribbons. In this lesson, we're going to go a little deeper. We'll explore tabs, ribbons, and menus. These are very important concepts because understanding them will make working in Excel much easier and much faster. At the top of Excel, you'll see a row of tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Each tab has a ribbon underneath it. That ribbon contains commands, and commands are the tools we use to work in Excel. These commands are organized logically. For example, if you want to insert a shape, you go to the Insert tab. Inside that tab, you'll find Shapes in the Illustrations group. Each ribbon is divided into groups. Groups organize similar tools together. On the Home tab, Cut, Copy, and Paste are in the Clipboard group. Font options like bold, italic, and font color are in the Font group. Alignment tools are in the Alignment group. This layout helps you find tools quickly. If you're new to Excel, you might not know what every icon does, and that's completely normal. Just hover your mouse over any command. A small box appears called a ScreenTip. It shows the name of the command, a short description, and sometimes a keyboard shortcut. For example, hover over Bold, and you'll see Control plus B. Some commands have shortcuts, and some do not. Now let's talk about right-click menus. When you right-click in Excel, a menu appears. This menu changes depending on what you click. If you right-click a command, you see options related to that command. If you right-click a cell, you see options like Copy, Paste, Insert, and Delete. Above that menu, you'll see the Mini Toolbar. It contains common formatting tools. This helps you format quickly without moving your mouse to the ribbon. If you don't like it, you can turn it off. Go to File, Options, General, and uncheck Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. Some ribbon groups have a small arrow in the bottom right corner. This is called the Dialog Box Launcher. Clicking it opens more advanced options. In the Font group, it opens the Format Cells box. In the Alignment group, it opens Alignment Settings. In the Clipboard group, it opens the Clipboard pane. To close a pane, click the X. Finally, let's talk about hiding the ribbon. By default, the ribbon is always visible, but sometimes you may want more space. Press Ctrl plus F1. This hides the ribbon. Press it again to bring it back. You can also use Ribbon Display options in the top right corner. There, you can show the ribbon, show tabs only, or use full screen mode. And that's it for this lesson. Now you understand tabs, ribbons, and menus. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.